Welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how easy it is to make a Geode account. In the portal, we're just going to make sure we're on the Accounts page. So up in the orange menu where you see Accounts, click the Accounts page and look for the Plus Account button. This is where we'll add a new account, and that's going to bring you to a simple form. Copy that public key right there and copy your mnemonic seed. That's how you're going to recover your account if you ever lose your password. Check the box that you have saved your seed. Move on to the next screen. Give your account a name. You are the only one who can see this, but you cannot change it later. Pick your password. Make sure it's a nice, strong password. The form will be judging you as you type. Put the password in a second time to make sure you're typing it the same way twice. And click Next. And save. And there you have a new account. It's going to download a JSON file for you. Save that JSON file. You can use that to add this account to other wallets as you may have. And there you go. You have a Geode account and you are ready to get going on the system. Check out everything there is to see at geochain.com. Check it out and tell a friend.